In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to create Passkey for your TikTok account. This enhances security by using biometric authentication like fingerprint or face recognition or device pins instead of traditional passwords, making it much harder for hackers to gain access to your account. To do this, simply head to TikTok. On your profile page, tap right here and select Settings and Privacy. Head to the very first option of Account. Select on Passkey and tap on Setup. You just have to tap on Continue and enter your device passcode. It can either be Face ID or fingerprint authentication. Your passkey will get created successfully. Well, that's how easy it is to create passkey for your TikTok account. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.